I'm Sherry Walker, your Placer County Realtor. I specialize in 55 plus active adult communities. If you're thinking about moving into one of these neighborhoods, stay tuned. Today I'm sharing an insider's perspective on the 8 premier 55 plus communities in Placer County, why you might love them, and a few reasons why you might not. They're not for everybody. I live in one myself, so I'll give you the real scoop, not just what's in the brochures or on the internet. So let's start with Sun City, Roseville. This one's close to my heart because I live here. I chose Sun City, Roseville for a few key reasons. It's flat and super walkable, which makes it perfect for me and my senior dogs to take walks. It's also close to restaurants, shopping, and medical facilities, which is a big plus for convenience. One of my favorite things is Roseville Electric. No rolling blackouts, and it's cheaper than PG&E. It's also a golf cart friendly community with 2 golf courses, a great restaurant, clubhouse, fitness center, pools, and more. And even though I don't golf, I love taking my dogs for rides and joining in the golf cart parade for July 4th and Christmas. It's such a fun tradition. Why you love it is that it's beautifully maintained, it's walkable, it's centrally located, and it's an established community. HOAs are relatively low and there are no Melrose taxes. And why it might not be for you is that the homes are older, late 1990s or when they were built, so some of these need updating. But if you can find one that's been remodeled, you will get the best of both worlds. Size is 3,110 homes. Number 2, let's talk about Esplanade at Turkey Creek, which is in Lincoln. If Sun City feels like a charming neighborhood, Esplanade feels like a 5-star resort. If my parents didn't live next door to me and my siblings didn't live down the street, I would seriously consider this community myself. The pool area is absolutely stunning. It's the hub of the community. It's surrounded by cabanas. There's a cafe, on-site salon and spa, and beautiful modern floor plans. And why you love it is that it has resort-style amenities, luxury finishes, newer homes, and an active lifestyle. And why it might not be for you is that it's still growing, it's not as established or fully built out yet. There'll be about 850 homes when it's complete. And the taxes in Melrose are higher, but you're getting a stunning resort feel. So my take is this would be my second choice. It really is beautiful. Number 3 is Sun City, Lincoln Hills. This is the largest 55 plus community in Northern California with over 6,700 homes, and it's perfect for those who want lots of clubs, activities, and social life. And the reason you love it is there's tons of options, multiple pools, restaurants, golf courses, fitness centers, and more than 100 clubs. But why it might not be for you is that it's huge, which can feel impersonal if you prefer a smaller, tighter-knit vibe. There are no Melrose and the HOAs are low. My note, if you're looking for an estate-sized home in the millions with views, Lincoln Hills is absolutely worth a look. Number 4, Springfield at Whitney Oaks in Rockland. Springfield is known for being smaller and more intimate with gated villages and a peaceful atmosphere. It's built around the Whitney Oaks golf course and has about 868 homes. And you'd love it because it's gated and quiet and close-knit and ideal if you want a more private feel. Why you might not like it is because it is smaller, there are fewer amenities, and less inventory comes on the market. There are no Melrose and the HOAs are moderate. Number 5 is Trilogy Bickford, which is in Lincoln Bickford Ranch. This one is brand new and gorgeous. It's perched on a hill with stunning views and open concept floor plans. The community is built around the resort lifestyle concept. Think modern design, luxury touches, and a vibrant clubhouse. Why you'd love it is that it has a beautiful location, fresh new homes, and modern amenities. And why it might not be for you, it has the highest taxes in Melrose of all the 55 plus options in Placer County. So my note is that it's definitely on the bougie side, and if that's your jam, you'll love it. And my pro tip is the end of the year is a great time to buy new builds. Builders often discount inventory. I know how to negotiate these deals, so reach out if you're interested. Number 6, Heritage Solar, which is in Roseville. It's a newer gated community with a modern social clubhouse, pool, and pickleball courts. It will have just under 500 homes when fully built. And why you'd love it is the fresh construction, sleek architecture, gated privacy. And why it might not be for you is the newer homes means higher taxes in Melrose and ongoing building. A bonus is being part of a newer community means you can shape the culture, you can start your own clubs and meet other original owners. You don't have to worry about cliques. Number 7 is Heritage Placer Vineyards. This is another Lennar-built 55-plus community. This one's newer as well and close to West Roseville shopping and the highway. It's gated, stylish, and offers the next-gen home design with private guest suites. And why you'd love it is its new, modern floor plans, smart home features, resort-style amenities. And while it might not be for you is that it's still under development, so construction is nearby for a while. And taxes in Melrose are there. They're higher than average, but they're typical for new builds. And 8 is, last but not least, the club at WestPark. Fun fact, I wanted to move here when I was in my early 50s, but I was obviously too young and couldn't figure out a loophole. It's a smaller Del Webb community with around 704 homes. It's right across Fitterman Boulevard from Sun City, Roseville. It offers a boutique feel, but still has access to a beautiful clubhouse, fitness area, and community events. And why you'd love it is that it's cozy and well-maintained. It's convenient to Roseville locations. It might not be for you because it's smaller, which means fewer amenities than Sun City communities. There's no restaurant, there's no golf course. And the taxes in Melrose, there's no, I have to double check on that, so get back to me. But whether you're looking for resort-style luxury, tight-knit communities, or walkable charm, Placer County has an incredible range of 55-plus living options. If you'd like help deciding which community fits your lifestyle, or if you're thinking of buying or selling in one of these communities, I'd love to help. I'm Sherry Walker, and I specialize in helping people find their perfect 55-plus home here in Placer County. Let's make your next chapter your best one. Ciao for now.